Hello, and welcome back to Short Stories with Daniel. This is the Snowflake Saver, Emily's Blizzard Adventure. Once upon a time, in the charming town of Snowyville, there lived a curious and adventurous girl named Emily. Snowyville was known for its beautiful snowy landscapes, but this year it faced a crisis, a never-ending blizzard that threatened to bury the town in snow forever. One frosty morning, Emily peered out her window and gasped at the sight of the towering snowdrifts that had already taken over her yard. Determination filled her heart. She knew she had to do something to save her beloved town. With a quick glance at her trusty sled and her warmest winter gear, Emily set off on her mission. She wasn't alone, though. Her loyal dog, Flurry, tagged along, his tail wagging with excitement. Emily's first stop was Mr. Jenkins' general store. The heart of Snowyville, Mr. Jenkins, kind-hearted man with a long white beard, had a problem. His store was running out of supplies. Emily offered to help him gather food, blankets, and firewood from the nearby forest. With Flurry's help, Emily and Mr. Jenkins loaded up her sled with supplies. The townspeople cheered as they passed by, and Emily felt their gratitude warming her heart. As they trudged through the snow, Emily noticed something unusual. A giant snowflake the size of a dinner plate gently floated down from the sky and landed on her mittened hand. It sparkled with a magical glow before disappearing. Emily knew this was no ordinary snowflake. With renewed determination, Emily and Flurry continued their journey. They reached the town square, where a group of children was building a snow fort to keep warm. Emily decided it was time to share her plan. Gathering everyone around, Emily said, "We can't defeat this blizzard alone, but together we're unstoppable. Let's build a giant snowplow using sleds, shovels, and teamwork." The children's faces lit up with excitement, and they eagerly joined Emily's mission. They worked tirelessly, constructing a massive snowplow that could clear the streets. The children pushed it through the town, and Emily guided them like a captain steering a ship. With each push, the blizzard's grip on Snowyville weakened. But as they cleared the streets, Emily noticed something worrisome. The snowflakes had grown bigger and more magical, whirling around her. She realized that they were trying to stop her from saving the town. Emily held her ground, remembering the special snowflake that had landed on her hand. With a deep breath, she held out her arms, and the magical snowflakes swirled around her, forming a protective shield. She whispered words of courage and love to them. The blizzard raged on, but Emily's determination was stronger. With the magical snowflakes on her side, she pushed the snowplow through the town square, creating a path to the heart of the blizzard. Last, they reached the source of the never-ending storm, a giant snow monster that had grown from the blizzard's icy heart. Emily knew she had to confront it. With Flurry by her side and the magical snowflakes circling her, Emily faced the snow monster. She spoke words of kindness and warmth, melting the monster's icy heart and ending the blizzard once and for all. The sun emerged from behind the clouds, and the town of Snowyville bathed in its warm, golden light. The townspeople cheered for Emily, their snowflake saver, and celebrated the return of clear skies. And so, the legend of Emily, the snowflake saver, was born. A story of bravery, determination, and power of kindness to overcome even the fiercest storms. Snowyville remained a haven of snowy beauty, but thanks to Emily, it was a place where warmth, of community, and the magic of snowflakes would always prevail. The end. Thank you for listening. If you liked this short story, please click like and subscribe below. Thank you.